if you're a Mac user looking for a robust video editing solution, you've probably heard of Final Cut Pro. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into what makes this software stand out and where it might fall short. Final Cut Pro is Apple's flagship video editing software, designed specifically for Mac users. At its core, it offers powerful non-linear editing capabilities, allowing you to manipulate video clips on a timeline with precision. One of the standout features is the magnetic timeline, which makes it easy to rearrange clips without leaving gaps. The interface is sleek and intuitive, catering to both beginners and professionals, but it does have a learning curve for new users. The software supports a wide range of formats from 4K to 8K video, making it suitable for high-end productions. You can also take advantage of advanced color grading tools and audio editing features that provide more control over your project. However, some users might find the lack of built-in stock footage or sound libraries a bit limiting. Overall, Final Cut Pro is geared towards filmmakers and content creators who need a comprehensive editing tool, but it's essential to consider whether its advanced features align with your editing needs. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Final Cut Pro's speed and performance are impressive, especially on newer Macs thanks to its optimization for Apple Silicon. The user interface is visually appealing and relatively easy to navigate once you get the hang of it. However, there are some frustrations. The software is only available for Mac, which excludes a large segment of potential users. Additionally, while it offers fantastic features, it can feel overwhelming for beginners. Some users have also pointed out that the pricing model is a bit steep if you're just starting out in video editing. In short, Final Cut Pro might not be for everyone, especially if you're looking for something more budget-friendly or simpler. In conclusion, Final Cut Pro is an excellent choice for serious Mac users who demand powerful editing capabilities. If you're a beginner or on a budget, you might want to explore alternatives like iMovie or Adobe Premiere Pro. Overall, it's worth trying if you're ready to invest in a professional-grade editing experience.